Hello guys. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to build the code for running our servo thing now. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into our classwork. Works better than trying to find stuff through the stream. So go classwork in our Google Classroom. I'm going to scroll down to coding programming. And right here is where I'm going to click for the microbit um, program. Then I will open a new project. I'm going to call it greenhouse project. Hit create. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is throw out the forever block. And then we got to go start getting the extensions that we need. So I'm going to hit extensions up in the search bar, climate. We want the energy one. We'll wait for that to load. Perfect. Okay. The first thing that we're going to need is we are going to use the servo. We have to power it up. So on start, we're going to turn the left motor pin on. Okay, and I found that. Excuse me, in servo. Then I want to do a loop because I want to time how often this is going to happen. So I'm going to pull out this every 500 milliseconds. The thing is, we want it to be half an hour though. So I'm going to go 18 and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many milliseconds there is in half an hour. Um, what I want is the logic. Okay. I want to if true, then this or else that. So I need to come up with something, a true statement. Uh, I want this comparison. Okay. So I'm going to grab this comparison and I'm going to put it into the true spot. Okay. Then I want a variable to put into that first zero. So if a certain variable, and our certain variable is going to be our, I'm sorry, I want to input, is going to be our temperature variable. Put it in there. So if temperature in degrees Celsius, I'm going to put a greater than, is greater than, remember our plants like to be between 15 and I guess, well, 10 to 20 degrees. So let's pick one right down the middle. 15 degrees. Okay, so if temperature is greater than 15, then I want it to open. So in order to open, I'm going to go servo, turn servo a certain number of degrees. Okay, in our drawing that we made, our thing rotated 22 and a half degrees to be open or 22 and a half degrees to be closed. So I'm going to write 22 in here. If you put 0.5, it just rounds. So this is not really the best case scenario for us to just put 22 because that means that it's not going to totally rotate closed or totally rotate open. We did leave a little bit of a gap, a forgiveness gap when we designed it, so I think it should work. But um, if you chose to do a different degrees, it would be way better if you could keep it without a decimal. Okay. I would also like to show a picture, and I'm gonna just show an unhappy face. The plants are not happy, right? It's too hot in there. And then I'm going to pause. I want that unhappy face to show for sure 5 seconds. Okay. And then, so that's the if. So if temperature is greater than 15 degrees, then it shows an unhappy face. It opens the um, fan and it pauses for 5 seconds, or else we want it to stay closed, right? So I'm going to servo, turn servo to 0 degrees. Okay, and then at the end, because otherwise, see how this unhappy face is stuck on all the time? I am going to have a clear screen. So that means that every 30 minutes, not Arduino, the microbit says, is the temperature greater than 15 degrees? If it is, show that it's unhappy, open our fan and pause for 5 seconds, or else, so if it's not this, that means close the window and then clear screen. And then it's going to wait another 30 minutes to do this again. Okay, we could change this. We could make it, if we were worried about the heat of the day, we could make it every 15 minutes or something like that. But that's it. I think that's all that we have to do for this. You could add more. We could add a data logger. So remember when we went and had an extension that was a data logger? We could log what the temperature was all day long to see if our little fan has big enough holes to keep our greenhouse cool. We could do that. We could also record how many times this thing opens and closes, when it opens and closes. There's a bunch of different stuff that we could add to this code that would make it a lot more useful. But for simplicity's sake, this is all we're doing. So you can rate this code. Remember, if you want to share it with me, come up to these 3 little dots. You're going to go publish to share, copy link, and then just go into our classroom under code, personal project, hand in code. There's one class comment. Aries has put one in, so I would just put my code, paste, done. And hit the little done. Okay, but I'll just leave that and I'll let you guys do it. Perfect. Have a good day.